Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove watermark from a video for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for watermark remover. And there will be a lot of websites pop up on your browser, but I recommend you to visit this website because we can use this website to remove watermark for free. Okay, and then you can upload your file here. You can upload a video you want to remove watermark from. And for instance, I'm just going to choose this video, guys. Okay, and then you can select the watermark area. Oops, sorry. I'm going to select this watermark. And once you're done, you can click on apply. And as you can see guys, that the watermark has been removed from my video. This is the result, and if you want to save it, you can go to the save menu and then you can choose the resolution and also the format and click on export. Okay, and then just click on save and the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove a watermark from our video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.